How to use Western Union app. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up Play Store or App Store. After that, search for Western Union and then just simply install it. After installing it, just open up. And this is how it will look like. Now, in case if you want to transfer the funds or receive the funds, just simply click on the option of find location. And this way you will be able to find all the locations nearby. Now just select any of the location where you want to go and do the transaction. Suppose I want to do the transaction using this particular location, so I will just select it. Now I get two options, whether to go to that particular location by myself or share the location to someone else. And when you go there and do the transaction, basically money transfer, you would be provided with a number, and that particular number is called as MTCN number, and using that particular number you will be able to track your transfer. Just type that particular number over here and click on next. This way you would be able to track the transfer of money. So this is how you do it, but always make sure that whether you are a sender or receiver, suppose you are a receiver, so just select the option of receiver, then type the 10-digit code, and this way you would be able to track it. So this is how you use the Western Union application. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.